viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 26 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is prepositions, right? So in this chapter we are going to talk about the prepositions. So let me tell you what these prepositions are first of all. So prepositions are the words that tell us about the relation of a noun or a pronoun with the other words in the sentence, right? So let us begin with the chapter now and see कि prepositions के बारे में हमें क्या-क्या चीजें बताई जा रही हैं. So prepositions are usually short words. कि prepositions जो है वो usually short words होते हैं that we use to specify any particular relationship, जिसे हम किसी particular relationship को specify करने के लिए use करते हैं, that exist between people or objects, जो कि किन्हीं लोगों के और objects के बीच में होती है और between people and objects, right? Example है जब हमें space show करनी हो, that means position or direction. So we use she sat on the chair. That means they are showing the position. Vasant Vihar is in Delhi. It is also showing the position. She walked towards the door. Now towards is showing the direction. Clear? Next is time. अब time की बात की जाए. I will meet you at 6 o'clock. My birthday is on 1st October. I run before breakfast. Right? तो ये सभी हमें time show कर रहे हैं. Now next we have other relationships. Let's see कौन से दूसरे words हैं जिनसे हम बाकी relationships को भी दर्शा सकते हैं. So it is who is the man with goggles? The menu was prepared by the expert chefs. Did you read the news about tigers? I must buy a present for my brother. Next, a preposition always has an object. कि एक preposition में हमेशा एक object होती है. Its object is the noun or pronoun that follows it. कि इसके जो object हैं वो हमेशा noun और pronoun को follow करते हैं, right? यानी उनके बाद ही mention किए जाते हैं. Owls, examples दिए गए हैं हमें. Owls are active only at night. I usually travel to school by bus. Come with me. Look at that. The bus left without her. Right? Then next we have position और preposition. अब बात करते हैं position of preposition, यानी कि preposition एक sentence में कहाँ place किया जाता है. Such as the position of a preposition is a sentence. In a sentence में where ये जो preposition की position है हर sentence में अलग अलग हो सकती है. A preposition is usually placed before its object. कि एक preposition usually place की जाती है object से पहले. For example, Prerna is fond of chocolates. The players went into the ground. She is standing by the pole. Your mother is waiting outside the room. So, in some sentences, the preposition may be placed after its object. कि कुछ sentences में जो preposition है वो उसके object के बाद भी use की जा सकती है. Prepositions may also be used at the end of a sentence. कि prepositions एक sentence के end में भी use की जा सकती हैं. which is usually seen in the passive voice, जो कि हम usually passive voice में देखते हैं. When the object is an interrogative pronoun like what, which, who, or a relative pronoun, then the preposition is placed at the end of the sentence. पर जब ऑब्जेक्ट एक इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन हो जैसे कि which, what, who या फिर कोई रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन जैसे कि that, तब प्रीपोजिशन जो है वो प्लेस की जाती है सेंटेंस के एंड में, राइट? जैसे कि एग्जांपल्स हैं, दिस इज अ गुड होटल टू स्टे इन. व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? वेयर डिड यू come from? I have no one to talk. Right? Next we have prepositional phrases. So, अब ये prepositional phrases क्या है? When a preposition links a word or words to other words. कि जब एक preposition link करती है एक word से या फिर दूसरे words को एक वर्ड से, इट फॉर्म्स अ फ्रेज, तब वो एक फ्रेज बनाते हैं. द फ्रेज एड्स मीनिंग टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स और गिव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ सेंटेंस. कि जो फ्रेज है ये मीनिंग ऐड करता है ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स के साथ या फिर हमें ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है एक सेंटेंस के बारे में. रीड द प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेजेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अब जल्दी से prepositional phrases को पढ़ते हैं इन सभी sentences में. So, it says the bird is now in a cage. The bird is in the cage with a piece of bread. Right? Next, here are some prepositional phrases that begin and end with a preposition. कि यहाँ कुछ prepositional phrases हैं जो कि शुरू किए जाते हैं या फिर खत्म होते हैं prepositions पे, right? जैसे कि we have on top of, atop. That means the man was standing on the top of the hill. In case of, in the event of. So, in case of any danger, call me up. In favor of, siding with. Example, I am not in favor of such things. In front of, before. That means she is standing in front of mirror. Then, in addition to, besides. In addition to food, they were given money also. Instead of, in place of. Sentence, instead of wasting your time, you should work hard. Then, on account of, because of. She is loved by everyone on account of her sweet nature. Next, in the course of means during. In the course of this long journey, Columbus met with many dangers. Right? Next, we have relations expressed by prepositions. Yep. जो हमारे prepositions हैं ये कौन सी relations को express कर सकते हैं? Let's see. Prepositions of space indicate position and direction. कि preposition of space जो है वो indicate यानी हमें दिखाता है position और साथ ही साथ direction भी. Some commonly used prepositions of space are given below. कुछ prepositions of space हमें यहाँ दिए गए हैं. Let's read them. So it is about, aboard, across, against, among, between, near, on, over, above, without, within, up, upon, to, through, below, from, round, before. Right? So, there is fire in the middle of the playground and the girls dance round it. Right? Next, there was a temple beside the river. They built a fence around their house. I often pass by your house on my way to market. Correct? Next. Now we have prepositions used to express time are. अब कुछ ऐसी prepositions जो कि हमें time express करने में help करती हैं. So they are at, after, from, on, between, over, in, since, ahead, by, during, for, about, to, behind, around, past, till, before, until, for. Right? So, examples are, we will reach Delhi in the afternoon. We all went home after the party. I will call you around 6 o'clock. You must reach home before dark. Right? Next, we have prepositions used to express measure, standard, rate, and value are at, by, on, and for. Right? So, let's look at the examples. Vegetables are available at low prices in the supermarket. Banks give interest at 4% for every deposit. She is taller than her sister by 4 centimeters. You have put on a lot of weight in the last few months. Next, prepositions used to express cause and reason are. So, अब कुछ ऐसी prepositions जो कि cause या फिर reason को express करने में use की जाती हैं. So, they are for, of, from, through, with, because, on, and at. Right? So it says, I will go to Shimla for holiday. It is because of her efforts that I prospered. We make cheese from milk. Next, preposition from is used to express source or origin and motive. Right? अब वो preposition जो यूज की जाती है source, origin या फिर motive को express करने के लिए. So it is, the giant panda comes from China. The Ganges originates from the Himalayas. She got a watch from her parents on her birthday. He took a book from the shelf. Next, prepositions with special issues, sorry, prepositions with special uses. तो अब कुछ ऐसी prepositions जिनको हम special तरीके से use करते हैं. तो some of the prepositions that are used in special ways are by, like, in, than, on, with, without, for, of, except, at, instead of, as. Right? So, now we have the examples for by, on and in are used to show how people travel. Right? तो ये वर्ड्स जो यूज किए जाते हैं जब हमें दिखाना हो कि लोग ट्रैवल कैसे करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक राज गोज टू स्कूल बाय बाइसिकल. John goes to school on foot. She goes to school in dad's car. Ministers often travel by air. Right? Next. By, with and without are used to express how things are done and who does them. तो ये जो by, with और without है ये यूज किए जाते हैं कि चीजें कैसे की गई और वो चीजें किसने की. So the examples are, this sick man had to walk with a stick. We cannot live without air. Crops are grown by farmers. This picture was originally painted by Raja Ravi Verma. Then next we have with or without are used to describe people, things and actions. कि with और without use किए जाते हैं जब हमें describe करना हो लोगों को, things को और साथ ही साथ उनके actions को भी. So the examples are, Amit came home with torn clothes and a dirty face. Cats without tails are called Manx cats. We knock nails in with a hammer. You cannot paint without a brush. Right? Next, this except and instead of are used in following ways. तो except और instead जो है वो यूज किए जाते हैं इन सभी तरीकों से. So they are, everyone except Ravi is playing in the park. The shops are open every day except Sunday. You should eat fruit instead of chocolate. Do something useful instead of sleeping. Right? Moving ahead, next we have some points to remember. Let's see what they are saying. Such as we often use the nouns school, home, bed with a preposition without the. कि हम usually इन nouns को use करते हैं बिना preposition के, जैसे कि I am in bed. Get out of bed. Is your dad at home? Priya has gone to school. Right? कि हम कभी भी इन noun से पहले the का use नहीं करते हैं. The children are at school. If we walk somewhere, we can say that we go there on foot. Right? So, we use the preposition by without the before nouns. कि हम preposition the का use करते हैं बिना the के before nouns for forms of transport such as bus, car, train, plane, ship. Right? जब हमें transport mention करना हो तब. We are going to London by plane. Correct? Then, but if we put the before the transport nouns or a determiner such as my, his, this, or a possessive such as Ravi's, Asif's, Miss Janet's, we use the prepositions on or in, not by. कि अगर हम द लगाते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट नाउन से पहले या फिर एक डिटर्मिनर जैसे कि माय, हिज या दिस, या फिर कोई भी पोजेसिव जैसे कि रवीज, आसिफ, मिस जेनेट्स, तो हम prepositions on और in का यूज करते हैं, ना कि by का. So it is I go to school on the bus. I go to school in dad's car. Clear? Next, we can travel or send goods by air, by sea, by road, or by rail. Clear? Next, now we have prepositions with adjectives, verbs or nouns. तो अब बात करते हैं prepositions की, adjectives, verbs और nouns से. सबसे पहले let's have a look on the adjectives followed by prepositions. Right? So it is afraid of, means fearing. My sister is afraid of rats. Angry with, displeased with a person. The teacher was angry with us. Confident of, sure of. Hardworking people are confident of their success. Pleased with, happy. My parents are pleased with my performance. Wrong with, something not working properly or defect. Example, what is wrong with the engine? Right? Interested in, desiring to learn or know. Right? So it is, I am very interested in ancient Indian history. Correct? Next, we have verbs followed by prepositions. अब बात करते हैं verbs की जो कि prepositions के through follow की जाती हैं. So it is think of, call to memory. Can you think of another name for rose flower? Agree with, to give consent. I perfectly agree with you on this point. Borrow from, to take a loan. When we need, we can borrow money from the bank. Deal in, to trade in. My mother deals in Japanese machines. Belong to be owned, to hail from. Example, this car belongs to me. Shreya belongs to Mumbai. Depend on, rely on. Example, you can safely depend on me. Next, nouns followed by prepositions. Affection for, luck for. Example, parents have deep affection for their children, right? Next, regard for, meaning respect for. Example, pupils have regard for their teachers. Hope of, expectation. Example, there is no hope of her early recovery. Control over, meaning check against. Example, try to keep control over your anger. Trust in, faith in. I have lost all trust in your friendship. Next, reputation for, meaning fame for. Example, the school enjoys good reputation for brilliant results. Right? So that was all about the chapter prepositions. I hope you all are clear with them and their different uses as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.